In Active Directory Domain Services, ADDS, user accounts play a crucial role in managing access to network resources. Every user who needs to access network resources must have a user account configured in ADDS. This account serves as the user's digital identity within the network environment. A user account in Windows Server is a comprehensive object that contains all the information defining a user. This includes the username, password, and group memberships. Additionally, user accounts contain numerous other settings that can be customized based on your organization's specific requirements. With a properly configured user account, you can achieve several important objectives. 1. Control access. You can allow or deny users permission to sign in to specific computers based on their account identity. 2. Manage security contexts. User accounts enable you to grant access to processes and services within a specific security context. 3. Resource management. You can manage users' access to various resources such as ADDS objects and their properties, shared folders, files, directories, and printer queues. One of the key functions of a user account is to enable authentication. When a user signs in to computers or domains, their account provides an identity that the domain can authenticate. This process ensures that only authorized individuals can access network resources. When creating a user account, you must provide a user logo name. This name must be unique within both the domain and the forest in which you create the account. This uniqueness requirement helps prevent confusion and ensures proper identification of users across the network. To maximize security, it's crucial to avoid having multiple users share a single account. Instead, best practices dictate that each user who signs into the network should have their own unique user account and password. This approach enhances accountability and makes it easier to track and manage user activities within the network. It's worth noting that while this course focuses primarily on ADDS accounts, user accounts can also be stored in the local Security Accounts Manager (SAM) database of each computer. These local accounts enable users to sign in to individual computers and access local resources. However, local user accounts are generally beyond the scope of this course, as our focus is on centralized domain-wide account management. Creating user accounts involves several steps and can be accomplished using various tools. You can use Active Directory Users and Computers, Active Directory Administrative Center, Windows PowerShell, or the DSADD command line tool to create user objects. Each of these methods has its own advantages, and the choice often depends on factors such as the number of accounts you need to create, your familiarity with different interfaces, and any automation requirements you may have. As we progress through this course, we'll delve deeper into the intricacies of user account management, exploring topics such as account properties, security settings, and best practices for maintaining a secure and efficient ADDS environment.